Hello everyone, welcome to Anbalaya. Let us discuss FAQ, frequently asked questions in Sainik School, RIMC and RMS entrance examinations. We shall discuss the first question. A can do 2/3 of a certain work in 12 days. B can do 1/6 of the same work in 4 days. Find in how many days will they together complete the work. So, listen, A's 12 days work. A can do 2/3 of a certain work in 12 days. So, A's 12 days work is 2/3. So, in 12 days, A complete 2/3 part of the work. So, what is A's 1 day's work? 12 days work is 2/3. Therefore, 1 day's work is 2/3 divided by 12. 2/3 division becomes multiplication, reciprocal of 12, 1/12. 2 goes in 12 6 times. 2 goes in 12 6 times. 3 6 are 18. So 1/18. A's 1 day's work is 1/18. B's 4 days work equal to 1/6. It's given in the question. B can do 1/6 of the same work in 4 days, which means B's 4 days work equal to 1/6. So B's 1 day's work is equal to, this is 4 days work, 1/6 divided by 4. 1/6 division becomes multiplication and reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. 1/6 4s are 24. So therefore, B's 1 day's work is 1/24 and A's 1 day's work is 1/18. A plus B's 1 day's work equal to A's 1 day's work 1/18 plus B's 1 day's work 1/24. LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. 72 divided by 18, 4 times 4 into 1, 4. 72 divided by 24, 3, 3 into 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7/72. So, A plus B's 1 day's work equal to 7/72. Now see, let the complete work equal to 1. Let the complete work be 1. A plus B's 1 day's work is equal to 7/72. So, number of days A plus B take to finish the work. See, the complete work is 1 and A and B can do. In 1 day, they can do 7/72. So, divide the complete work 1 divided by 1 day's work 7/72. You will get the number of days it will take to finish the complete work. 1, division becomes multiplication, reciprocal of 7/72, 72/7. So 1 into 72, 72/7. 72/7, mixed fraction. The form of mixed fraction is quotient remainder by divisor, which means 72 divided by 7 is equal to 10. 2/7 days. So A and B together can finish the work in 10 2/7 days. Now let's discuss FAQ 22B. A and B can do a piece of work in 45 days and 40 days respectively, which means A can do a work in 45 days and B can do the same work in 40 days. They began the work together. Okay, they started together, but A leaves after some days. Okay, and B alone, B finishes the remaining work in 23 days. They started together, but A left after some days and B finished the work in 23 days. After how many days did A leave? We need to find out after how many days A left. Look at this. B's 1 day's work. B can do the work in 40 days. So B can do the work in 40 days, which means B divides the work into 40 parts And in 1 day, B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 40. Because B can do the work in 40 days. So the work is 1, complete work is 1. 1 divided by 40, B is 1 day's work. So work done by B alone in 23 days. So B can do 1 by 40 of a work in 1 day. So in 23 days, because B finished the work in 23 days. So in 23 days, how much work is done by B? Work done by B alone in 23 days is equal to 1 day's work 1 by 40 into 23 days work into 23. So 1 into 23, 23 by 40. Now see, work done by A and B together. See, this is 23 by 40 is the work done by B in 23 days. So what work? B alone did 23 by 40 part of the work. So what work is done by A and B together? Let the total work be 1 always. So the total work minus work done by B, 23 by 40. So 40 minus 23, 70 by 40. See, out of 40, 23 is done by B. So how much is left? 1 minus 23 by 40. 40 into 1, 40. 40 minus 23, 17 by 40 work is done by. 17 by 40 part of the work is done by A and B together. And 23 by 40 part of the work is done by B alone. Okay. Let us now find out A and B's 1 day's work. A can do the work in 45 days. So A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 divided by 45. B can do the work in 40 days. So B's 1 day's work is 1 by 40. So A plus B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 45 plus 1 by 40. LCM of 45 and 40 is 360. 360 divided by 45, 8. 8 into 1, 8 plus 360 divided by 49, 9. 9 into 1, 9. 8 plus 9, 17 by 360. So A and B's 1 day's work is equal to 17 out of 360. 17 by 360. Well, their capacity, A and B's capacity to do the work in 1 day is 7 by 360 part of the work. So number of days A and B worked together. What part of the work is done by A and B together? 17 by 40 part of the work is done by A and B together. And their capacity, their 1 day's work, this is the work done by A and B. Total work done by A and B divided by A and B's 1 day's work. What is A and B's 1 day's work? 17 out of 36. So when on dividing 17 by 40, division becomes multiplication. Reciprocal of the denominator. 17 by 360, reciprocal 360 by 17. 17, 17 gets cancelled. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3, 36 divided by 4 is 9 days. Which means, thus, A left after 9 days. A and B together did the work for 9 days, which means A left after 9 days. The question is, after how many days did A leave? So A left after 9 days. Thanks for watching.